In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hard refresh Chrome. A hard refresh is useful when a website is showing an older version of a page, not loading recent updates, or behaving strangely because your browser is using cached files. Instead of loading saved versions of page elements, a hard refresh forces Chrome to request fresh content again, which can often solve display and loading issues right away. If you're using Windows, one of the fastest ways to do this is with a keyboard shortcut. While you're on the page, you want to refresh, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. You can also press Ctrl, Shift, and R together. Both of these shortcuts tell Chrome to reload the page more aggressively than a standard refresh, which is helpful when regular reloading doesn't seem to fix the problem. Another simple option is to use your mouse with the refresh icon in Chrome. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, and while holding it, click the circular refresh button on your browser's toolbar. This does essentially the same thing and is a good alternative if you prefer not to use a multi-key shortcut. If you need an even more thorough refresh, Chrome gives you an advanced option through Developer Tools. Start by pressing F12 on your keyboard to open Developer Tools. You don't need to change anything inside this panel. The important part is simply leaving it open because Chrome unlocks extra refresh options when Developer Tools is active. With the Developer Tools panel still open, move to the circular refresh icon at the top of your browser and right-click on it. This opens a small menu with additional reload choices that you normally won't see during everyday browsing. From that menu, select Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This option is especially helpful when you want Chrome not only to refresh the page, but also to clear cached resources for that site before loading it again. In many cases, this is the best choice when a site's layout is broken, updates are not appearing, or you're testing recent website changes and want to make sure you're seeing the newest version. That's all it takes to hard refresh Chrome. For most situations, the keyboard shortcuts are the quickest solution. If those don't solve the issue, using developer tools and the empty cache and hard reload option gives you a more complete reset of the page. Once you know these methods, troubleshooting website loading problems in Chrome becomes much easier.